In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a ClickUp plan. We'll walk through where to go in your account and what to look for, so you can pick a plan that fits your team without overpaying. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser, or launch the desktop app if that's what you use. Make sure you're signed into the workspace you want to upgrade. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens a quick menu with options tied to your account and workspace. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage preferences, billing, and workspace controls. Inside Settings, find and click Upgrade. Depending on your layout, you may see it highlighted in the sidebar or within a billing section. Don't worry, you're not committing yet. You're just moving to the page where you can explore plan details, goals, and pricing. On the Plans page, you'll see the available tiers. ClickUp typically offers a free option and several paid plans that add more power. Take a moment to compare what each plan includes. Think about the size of your team and how you work. If you collaborate with many people and need more dashboards, custom fields, or automation, consider a plan that expands those limits. If your team uses complex workflows, look for advanced permissions, time tracking, workload views, and better reporting. If security and compliance matter for your organization, check which plan lists enterprise-grade controls. And if you work with clients, review how many guest seats and sharing options each plan provides. Also decide on your billing cycle. Annual billing often lowers the per-user cost, while monthly billing is more flexible. Double-check how many member seats you're upgrading. It's easy to miss someone, so confirm your active users and any pending invites. When you've identified the best fit, select that plan. You'll usually see a summary with the plan name, number of seats, billing cadence, and the total price. Review it carefully, then proceed. If you're prompted for payment details, enter them securely and confirm. Click Upgrade to finalize. After the upgrade, you'll see a confirmation and your new features will unlock. I recommend visiting your workspace settings to enable any advanced options your plan includes, like additional automations or permissions, so you can start benefiting right away. And if you're unsure, many plans allow you to adjust seats or change tiers later, so you can fine-tune as your team grows. That's it. Now you know exactly where to go and what to consider when choosing a ClickUp plan.